Let's make it a Goya night. Have a great recipe for beans. To make this recipe, these are the ingredients that you'll need. I'm slicing a couple of slivers of sweet white onion finely with a serrated knife. I crushed 2 fresh garlic cloves, but you could also use jarred garlic. I'm using a couple of slivers of fresh green pepper. The green pepper and the fresh garlic gives you a more savory flavor. Adding a couple drops of olive oil. Add in your onions and cook until it's translucent. Now add in the rest of your aromatics and cook it for a few minutes to release the flavor. Now I'm adding 2 cans of my favorite Goya beans. The starch from the beans acts as a natural thickener. Now add 3 tablespoons of your favorite tomato sauce. Now just mix till combined. Now add a little sprinkle of oregano. Add some black pepper. Of course, you gotta add a little sprinkle of adobo. I added about 1/3 cup of water. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm adding 1 very ripe plantain. I'm choosing this because it cooks quickly and it adds a little sweetness to the beans. Now taste it and adjust. I'm adding a little salt. I cook this for about 20 minutes till the plantains are cooked. If you don't use the plantains, it'll cook faster. I'm adding a little sprinkle of sugar. Whether or not you need that depends on your desire for how savory you want it. My mother-in-law taught me this delicious recipe, and this is great over rice, and also on its own you could even eat it as a soup. I hope you love this recipe. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.